In a vibrant and colorful world, four animal friends, Leo the lion, Bela the bunny, Tilly the turtle, and Max the monkey, discover an ancient map leading to a treasure hidden on Smiley Island. Excited by the prospect of adventure, they set off together, each bringing their unique skills to the journey. Along the way, they face various challenges, such as crossing a rickety bridge and solving riddles posed by a wise old owl who guards the island. As they overcome obstacles, the bond between the friends strengthens, and they learn valuable lessons about teamwork and friendship. Finally, they reach the treasure's location, only to find that the true treasure isn't gold or jewels, but a magical garden filled with fruits and flowers that can make everyone smile. The animals decide to share this garden with their entire community, spreading joy and laughter across their land. The adventure concludes with a joyful celebration, showcasing the importance of friendship over material wealth.